Next time, if you plan to throw away the excess black pepper from your pantry, we suggest you give it a second thought. It is because this common spice has much more to it than you would have imagined. That's right. Black pepper holds a constant position on every spice rack. This tiny spice is used extensively in various recipes to add that strong aroma and flavor to your dish. But did you know it is loaded with several health benefits too? Black pepper, also referred to as kali mirch, has been a part of traditional medical practice for eons. In fact, in the past, it was considered one of the richest spices available, due to the nutrients, and became pivotal in the spice trade across the world. Fascinating fact, isn't it? So, without further ado, let's find out what makes black pepper a preferred spice for all. Aids weight loss. Black pepper is known to help extract nutrients from food. It further helps you make the most of your meal and breaks down the fat cells, boosting metabolism. These factors are known to aid weight loss. Boosts detoxification. Black pepper aids metabolism that further helps flush out toxins from the body. Besides, it is also rich in a potent antioxidant called piperine. This nutrient may help prevent free radical damage to your cells. Promote digestion. The piperine in black pepper also helps stimulate the stomach, which further secretes more hydrochloric acid, aiding digestion. Boost immunity. Black pepper is antibacterial in nature, works as an antibiotic and helps boost immunity. It is also known to cure common seasonal diseases including cough and cold. Manage blood pressure. According to a study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology, piperine is a compound found in black pepper that can help in controlling high blood pressure. Black pepper is also a decent source of potassium that helps negate the ill effects of sodium. Now that you are aware of the health benefits of black pepper, will you be adding black pepper to your favorite dishes? Please let us know in the comments below.